We're back on the air. This is Radio Entrepreneurs on the Record at O'Brien and Levine all week long, featuring the best litigators of Boston. And I'm here flanked to my left with Mark Z from Mark Z Legal Staffing. If anybody knows litigators, it's Mark. As I said before, the man who's interviewed 10,000 lawyers.
Well, Jeff, this is a treat. As I've said to you, during this whole week of madness and play, I feel like it's the playoffs and the Super Bowl and the World Series.
It's the March Madness of lawyers.
It's wonderful.
That's
and
good.
and our next guest is continues with that all-star tradition.
Katherine Michon, right?
Correct.
Of Hartley, Michon, and Robb.
Correct.
Great.
Thank you.
So, but you're going to talk to us today about employee litigation, right?
Sure.
Right.
Absolutely.
I was involved with one of those.
Uh-oh.
No, I was an expert witness. Loved the case.
Okay, good.
Loved the
Good,
case. Shouldn't have been fired.
good. Absolutely never should have been fired.
Not never, but this case, no, don't do it that way. So tell us about your practice.
Okay, let's see. I represent mostly individuals who have some type of problem with their current or former employer. It can be anything from a discrimination matter, someone who is alleging discrimination based on age or sex or disability, a sexual harassment matter, someone who's being harassed at work from either their supervisor or a coworker. It can be a non-compete matter, someone who is possibly violating their non-compete obligations with their former employer. It can be a whistleblowing matter. So anything that has to do with the employment setting, usually we handle. We don't handle workers' comp cases or labor cases. We do focus more on the executive and help executives with their employment agreements, negotiating in. And many times people don't realize how important that agreement is to make sure you have all your obligations, that you know what the obligations are, and you have from the employer what their obligations are for when you leave the employer. And that can sometimes get messy. We help them when
Right.
they're exiting too, and hopefully they have a good employment agreement that helps them when they exit. So we help in all facets of the employment situation.